Oh no, I am so clumsy. I just knocked over my coffee cup. Look at the rug. It is ruined.
Don't panic. Let me see. It is just a little bit of coffee.
But this is your favorite rug. It looks terrible. I feel so bad. I think I destroyed it.
Hey, calm down. Honestly, it is not a big deal. It is just an old rug.
Are you sure? It is a huge dark stain. It looks very ugly right in the middle of the room.
Really, it is fine. This rug is 10 years old. It already has spots on it. Plus, I can wash it.
I can pay for the cleaning, or I can buy you a brand new one tomorrow.
No need. I was actually planning to buy a new one anyway. This one is worn out.
Really? You aren't angry at me?
Not at all. Accidents happen.
I was so worried. Thanks for understanding.
Like I said, it is not a big deal. Let's just get some paper towels and soak it up.
Okay, I will get them right now.
I am so glad you can watch my house this weekend. I am running late for my flight, so I need to tell you the rules quickly.
No problem. I'm happy to help. What do I need to do?
Okay, listen carefully. The alarm code is 5921, but you must press enter twice. The cat gets wet food at 6 a.m., but the dog gets dry food at 7 a.m., mixed with a pill. And never let the cat go into the garage.
Whoa, slow down. You are speaking way too fast. Can you run that by me again?
Sorry, I am in a rush. I will say it slowly. Alarm 5921. Enter twice. Cat eats at 6. Dog eats at 7 with a pill. Keep the cat out of the garage.
Okay, alarm 5921. Cat at 6, dog at 7. No garage for the cat. I think I have it.
Perfect. Oh, and the back door sticks, so you have to lift the handle up firmly before you turn the lock.
Lift up, then turn. Okay, wait, actually, the door part sounds tricky. Could you run that by me again? I don't want to get locked out.
Sure. Lift the handle up, then turn the key.
Got it. Have a safe trip.
Honey, I am moving the wet clothes to the dryer, but I have a strange question. Since when do I own pink shirts?
Pink shirts? You don't have any. You only wear white ones for work. Let me see.
Look at this. Every single shirt is light pink.
Oh no, I see a red sock hidden at the bottom of the machine. I must have missed it when I loaded the laundry. I was in such a rush this morning. I messed up.
This is really bad. I have a big presentation with the new clients tomorrow morning. I need to look professional. I can't walk in there looking like a strawberry ice cream.
I am so sorry. I know how important that meeting is. I really wasn't paying attention.
Well, panic won't help. Do we have any bleach? Maybe we can wash them again.
No, the dye is really strong. Look, I admit I messed up. I will drive to the mall right now and buy you new shirts.
The mall closes in an hour. We'd better hurry.
I am already grabbing the car keys. Let's go. Are you ready to go? I have the car keys. We should leave now to get to the baseball stadium on time.
Actually, put the keys away. I think we should take the train instead of driving tonight.
The train? Why? Driving is much faster. The GPS says it is only a 20-minute drive. The train takes 40 minutes.
The GPS is wrong. The game starts at 7 p.m. It is rush hour right now. The highway will be completely jammed. It will take us an hour just to move 2 miles.
Oh, I forgot about the rush hour traffic. Sitting in traffic is terrible. Okay, that makes sense.
Also, parking at the stadium is expensive. They charge $50 for event parking. The train ticket is only $5.
$50? That is a ripoff. I can buy a lot of snacks with that money.
Exactly. Plus, if we take the train, we can both enjoy a beer at the game. We don't have to worry about driving home safely.
You are right. Saving money and drinking beer sounds like a much better plan.
That makes sense. Great. Let's walk to the station.
I can't believe it. I am such a failure. I want to hide under this table.
Hey, keep your voice down. People are staring at us. What happened?
The interview was a total disaster. I froze. I forgot my own resume. I am never going to get a job. I am going to be broke forever.
Okay, stop. You are spiraling. You need to pull yourself together. It was just one bad interview.
It wasn't just bad, it was humiliating. I knocked over a cup of hot coffee on the hiring manager's desk. It went everywhere.
That is unfortunate, but accidents happen. Look, you have another interview on Friday with a better company. You can't let this ruin that chance.
You're right. Crying in a coffee shop won't help me get hired.
Exactly. Take a deep breath, go to the restroom, and wash your face.
Okay, I will go fix my makeup and pull myself together. I can do this.
That's the attitude. When you come back, I will buy you a muffin.
Tom, is that you? I haven't seen you in ages.
Sarah, wow, it really has been a long time. I didn't know you were back in the city.
I just moved back last month. I'm finally finished with unpacking my apartment.
That is great news. We have so much to catch up on. A quick chat on the street isn't enough.
You are right. Let's hang out properly this weekend.
I would love that. Are you free on Saturday morning? We could grab some coffee.
Saturday works for me. I know a new roaster downtown with a nice patio. It is quiet and perfect for chatting.
Sounds good. I need to get back to the office now for a meeting, but I will text you later to confirm the time.
Perfect. I'm really glad I bumped into you today.
Me too. Let's hang out on Saturday and relive the old days.
See you then.
Hi, I have a problem.
Sure. What is it?
I lost my room key.
When saw it last?
This morning, now gone.
Checked pockets and bag?
Yes, checked everywhere.
Maybe left in room.
No, door won't open.
Don't worry, new key soon.
Thanks, what do you need?
Just your room number.
Room 712.
Great. May I see ID?
Sure, here it is.
Thanks, Mr. Evans. New key coming.
Will old key work?
No, it stops working.
I feel safer.
Need room check?
Maybe?
Yes, that helps.
Security will check soon.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. New key here.
Great. Anything else needed?
No, that's all.
Enjoy your stay here.
Thanks, I will.
Good morning, doctor.
Morning. What's wrong today?
Sore throat and cough.
How long now?
About 3 days.
Did it start slowly?
Yes, now worse.
Do you have fever?
Yes, a little.
Let me check temperature.
Okay.
It's 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Mild fever.
Is it serious?
No, just the cold.
Should I rest home?
Yes, rest and hydrate.
Can I work today?
Better take 2 days.
Okay, I'll report.
Any medicine allergies?
No allergies.
I'll give cough syrup.
When do I take it?
Tablets 3 times daily.
And the syrup?
2 teaspoons every 6 hours.
Take them together?
Yes, but eat first with juice.
Okay.
Better water only.
All right, water only.
Any chest pain?
No, only coughing.
Avoid cold drinks.
Okay, no cold drinks.
You'll improve in days.
Come back if not?
Yes, return in 5 days.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Rest well.
I will.
Feel better soon.
Hi, Emily. Here's your lease.
It looks long.
Yes, but don't worry.
What should I check first?
Rent and lease period.
Rent is $2,000 monthly.
Yes, pay every first.
What about utilities?
You pay gas and electricity.
Water and trash included.
Yes, both are included.
That's very convenient.
We keep things simple.
Can I check the place?
Let's start here.
The couch looks new.
Replaced 2 months ago.
Does the TV work well?
Yes, it's a smart TV.
What about lights?
All lights work fine.
Okay, let's see. Kitchen?
Everything is clean here.
Is the stove gas?
Yes, gas heats faster.
Does the oven work?
Works perfectly.
And the fridge works.
Check inside.
Sink works fine too.
New faucet installed.
Next, let's see, bathroom.
It's right here.
Hot water works, right?
Yes, heats in seconds.
Toilet flushes normally.
Everything works great.
I like it.
Let's finish paperwork.
Okay, I'll read, then sign.
Take your time.
I'm signing now.
Need rent and deposit now.
I brought 2 checks.
Here are your keys.
Thanks. Place looks great.
Welcome to your new home.
Thank you. I'm excited. Welcome to Sweet Spot. I'd like a cake. What cake type? I want a chocolate cake. What size you need? Medium size for 8. When pickup? This Saturday at 3. Any message written? Yes. Write, Happy Birthday, Mom. Pink or white icing? Pink, please. Any decorations needed? Strawberries are perfect. Want filling inside? Yes, chocolate cream. It tastes rich and smooth. How much total? Medium cake is $45. Okay, that's fine. Pay deposit now? Yes, I'll pay now. Cash or card? Card, please. Tap your card here. Done. Name for the order? It's under Kim. Number for confirmation? Sure. 555-2149. See you Saturday. See you then.
Hello, City Dental speaking.
Hi, I need an appointment.
What seems the problem?
I have a bad toothache.
How long has it hurt?
About 3 days now.
Constant pain or sometimes it comes and goes?
One tooth or whole side?
Just one left tooth.
Taken anything for pain?
Yes, some ibuprofen.
Any swelling or fever?
Cheek swollen, no fever?
We should check soon.
I'd like to come today.
Let me check schedule.
I can wait.
We have 2:30 today.
Perfect, I can come.
Your full name, please?
Emily Brown.
Been here before?
No, first time.
Need some basic details?
No problem.
Phone number and email?
555-3412. emily.brown.com.
Any allergies at all?
No, none.
Taking any medications now?
Just vitamins only?
Dentist will check first.
Okay, will it hurt?
We can numb it.
I feel nervous.
Don't worry.
Okay, I'll bring insurance.
Great. See you 2:30.
See you soon. Hi, I'd like these books.
Your library card, please.
I don't have one.
Want to apply now?
Yes, please. What's needed?
Just fill this short form.
Okay, I'll fill it.
Do you have photo ID?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Card in 1 minute.
Thank you so much.
Here's your new library card.
Can I use it?
Yes, you can immediately.
I want a few more books.
What kind of books?
I'm looking for novels.
Novels are in literature section.
Where is that exactly?
Go straight, then turn left.
Got it. Found everything you need?
Yes, I got 2.
Perfect. I'll scan them.
Thank you.
Return in 3 weeks.
3 weeks from today?
Yes, date is on slip.
Can I renew later?
Yes, online or phone.
Perfect. Very easy.
Enjoy your reading.
Thanks, I will.